Hey everybody, hope you're having a great Sunday. Josh here, AA4WX Ham Shack TV. Appreciate you being here. Very simple video. I'm actually just shooting this with the iPhone. Don't want to do too much production value. Had some stuff happen overnight that's quite frustrating, and I'll have to clean up the damage later. But give this a look. We'll go out the front door. And you can see the tree branches down right there. Well, I lost my HF antenna last night during a thunderstorm. I don't think it's broke. It's just a chameleon tactical dipole. However, the branch that supports it broke away and unfortunately did not make it. So the way I do it is I typically launch my drone. I'll tie some paracord to the drone, get it up as high in the tree as I can, bring it back down and tighten it up from there. It's very tricky though. I don't recommend that if you're not very experienced with drone operations. You could easily mess up your drone or hurt somebody. Probably not going to do that today. For one, it's pretty cold outside. It's temperatures dropped quite a bit here in Tennessee. For two, it's too windy. I already tried putting the drone up once and it's just wind's too strong. But for me, an even bigger reason, it's the Daytona 500. If you ain't got nothing to watch today, guarantee you'll have an action-packed race today to watch on Fox. Your local Fox affiliate is on right now. Daytona 500, go check it out. That's all for today, guys. Hope you're having a great weekend. Hope you're having a great Saturday. And we'll see you in the next video. 73's AA4WX, WSEB 693.